Marni was. Center table. So as you might have heard by now, Prince Marni, vlogger, social media personality,
and his girlfriend Inhalemee have split.
If you don't know who Inhalemee is, she is, you know, the girl on Instagram and the one bag are winding up videos them where our waistline are moving and joining up. Basically, she put out a series of posts on her IG story this week, which, make it pretty clear, says she and Prince Marni over. Things are es finito. Some more she have to say. I am no longer engaged. Don't ask me about my ring. I am done pretending. Everything was a motherfucking lie. Yes, you confess to everything, even after my dumb ass thought it would work out. And shout out to all the hoes that know me and know about me. Smile in my face. Attended my class and still the you. You haven't been yourself, the driven person, because I stuck to a toxic person to suck out all my drive and confidence, knowing who he was but still loved him, kept all his secrets. I am done for the record. I never cheated in my life. I treated you like a king, did everything for you, accepted you and your and you dogged me out and still hiding shit. We told each other everything, in which I thought that was why I expected your ring.
I should've left your ass long time ago.
No, she'll go off like, me can't really follow up with it, with the command them something here. Everything is just a blurb. Then in another post she added, happens to the best of us. I have 3 degrees. I can cook, clean, take care of business, kids, and and then things I get eaten, she add on, but she kinda got damaged, that's why she couldn't do damage to him. I randomly fractured my shoulder. Yes, that was God stopping me. He knows his child and my temper. I would have been in someone's prison. Hashtag thank you, Lord. And then in typical female fashion, she added, say, she'll move on, gotta have her back and all of these things, and boy, oh boy, me have to read what she put on her actual Instagram, because right about now, everybody in our friends list, everybody on Instagram, in the comments, and a dog out Prince Marni.
Prince, for the last
I spent months beating myself up, thought I wasn't good enough, loved him enough to fix it, and you still had secrets. Hashtag business, that's it. No, I do not hardly know what she mean by this business, that's it. Because as you know right about now, she and Prince Marni, I don't know if a Prince Marni for call him, because I realized that him got a spiritual root, him change him name on Instagram to King of a Chosen One and Almighty, and him start put up a little skin out Suzan videos, them him a try do this, them late night infomercials, something they forgot, the Universal Church. Them do some little promo videos where I kind of have the feeling there.
That you may know.
And we will be selecting our first 10 chosen ones to receive their 15-inch MacBook Pro on Tuesday, August 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. All you have to do is tell us
Why.
Tell us why you want it.
Guys, you already know the process. Click the link in our bio. There's a $5 registration fee. Tell us your why, because God bless us to bless you.
So I do not know if them are just continue the relationship, the business of the iPhone promotion. Maybe that's what I thought about.
Shortly after she posted that, Prince Marni put up this video upon him Instagram in a totally unbothered mood.
I say yeah. That's how. Yeah. Whoa. I just wanna sing. I just wanna sing.
And personally, me don't know how to feel about this. I don't know if it's a publicity stunt, because it's not the first time technically that they have broken up on social media. It happened actually last year around July, when Prince Marni did say him did leave from the because she did act too crazy, and he put out this video.
I promised I wasn't gonna say anything because it's really nobody's business, but Inhalemee went ahead and posted a picture which suggested that Prince on her. Nobody gonna have their cake and eat it. You're not gonna have your cake and eat it too, blah blah blah. Which means this nigga is her. That's not the case, guys. That did not happen. Me and D is not in a relationship today, and that's not the reason why. I broke up with D because of her own personal issues, which I won't get in details with. But it's not a cheating situation. That never happened. So for everyone that's coming on my page talking about he cheated, he blah blah blah, y'all don't even know the first word of the story.
So this is why I tell people, say you have to be kind of careful with them little bunning and cheating skits the way you're doing now, because I'd kind of imitate life more than one time. Same so how Chris and Queen did that, and then Chris choose for do one cheating prank with Queen, and then low story come to bomb. Same thing did happen in his life. And so me personally feel say I did Inhalemee kill the character Suzan. That's why I see him start put out the little Suzan character. It is hard because she killed the character and she kind of look like she just kind of inhaled this character of Suzan and decides she should start think and pray like Suzan and figure out who is the actual Prince Marni and when it up to.
Welcome to the first episode of Be Smart Bitch. Ladies, today we're going to talk about the unknown number them we call your man phone now. So when the unknown number come in and take up his phone and ask him the typical question. Prince, 3 times this week this number call you. Who for number this? And him give the typical answer.
Yo, Suzan, I'm not know.
Fret not, my friend. Ladies, I am here. Take a picture of the number. Go somewhere secretive. Go save the number. Save the number. Get the number and name. Then go on WhatsApp, pull up the name on WhatsApp and click the picture icon. Almost every side chick have a WhatsApp. Every have a WhatsApp these days, so I guarantee you're gonna find a picture on WhatsApp.
Hashtag Dirty Berry conspiracy theorist. Let me tell you, man, you have to pre the levels more while, you know.
As a mad woman, yes, we would have squared up on site. Boop, boop. I would have squared up with him right on site. Like, oh, so she wrote this, and it would have been problems. It would have been real problems in our house.
So anyway, right about now, I just hope say, you know, them sort out things. Come, I really like to see them something here on social media. It's good for my countdown, but I really like to see them things up on social media. Anyhow, I'm going we actually have Inhalemee and Prince Marni in studio. We're going to try to see if we can work out the issue. So thank you, Inhalemee and Prince Marni for joining me on the show. How did you find out about the infidelity, the cheating?
So, like, what did you do?
Everything.
Oh Jesus, Pim, no man, no, D, you can't get violent like that. Talk about it, man. Just talk about it.
So how many times did you cheat? Give me a number.
I wasn't counting.
Oh Jesus, Pim, like see them. No, time out, hang up. Well, what you have to say about this breakup burritos, comment down below. Share your thoughts.